So the EuroClean mop also has a hard floor and a rug setting very similar to the Bissell Crosswave cordless, and this also has a water container into which you can fill water. It has a similar water formula for small and large areas right here, so you can fix it in here as well. And then as it is corded, you can see the entire length that goes there. So the dirty water also gets collected into a similar container like the Bissell right here, but once I actually switch it on, you do realize that the noise of this is going to be pretty high. So let's go. Okay, so barring some of the white patches here which are still drying, you can see that there are streaks that are left behind because of the water stain, and it will show through if you have really polished and vitrified tiles. That's what I think here. A lot of it is actually not coming through in the camera, and also because of the lighting problems. But if you see right near those yellow slabs, you will see those streaks which are drying a little in a certain way. So it's up to you to decide what you would like from these appliances. So the dirty water from just a small area of this floor, this is actually where a lot of people keep walking up and down, so this amount of dirt is pretty normal. So this is the kind of water that you can actually just open up this top and just dunk it into your flush, into your toilet, not the flush but the toilet, or into your sink, and then it's very easy to clean. That's not a problem at all. But the problems that I find with the Bissell and the EuroClean Mop and Vac is pretty much the same. It streaks my floor, especially if I'm using just water, it leaves streaks. Even if I use a solution, it leaves streaks anyway. To boot, the EuroClean Mop and Vac more or less costs the same as a Bissell. And that is cordless and this is corded, and the cord can be a little bit of a problem, and in addition this is extremely loud, way louder than the Bissell Crosswave that I have. So this is a general what shall I say, the opinion and the review that I have to share with you, so you can decide whether this works for you. In addition, this also does not reach under furniture. It does not clean vibe on the edges, so you will have to keep all this in mind when you're buying something like this. This is bought for everyday convenience purposes, and you will probably have to allocate one half of a day in a week to make sure that all areas in your home are spotless and clean if you're somebody like me. Anyway, until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye.